iOS app development training from Tonex. Tonex offers iOS apps developing training boot camps, overview classes and specialty training programs for companies in the telecommunications field. Tonex have been delivering these high-end training classes for the past 20 years, and they have acquired many clients, including Apple. iOS training, iOS app development training. If you're interested in developing mobile applications, you're best starting off with an iOS app training workshop. Learn about iOS and more. iOS, tvOS, watchOS, Xcode. What will you learn in iOS app development training? Learn about iOS 12 features to build apps for iPhone and iPad. Get familiar with iOS SDK environment. Learn iOS programming and the tools such as Xcode, interface builder for developing apps for iPhone and iPad. Get familiar with app frameworks, graphics, and games, app services, media, web, developer tools and system. Learn Swift 4 as a powerful programming language. Learn about Swift as a powerful and intuitive programming language for macOS, iOS, watchOS and tvOS. Write Swift code and learn about syntax and modern features. Swift code is safe by design. Design user interface elements with Interface Builder and the UI Kit framework. Create iPhone and iPad applications using iOS SDK and Xcode. Work with views, protocols, and gestures, controller lifecycle, images, animation, scroll, web views, table views, multi-thread and chord location, map kit, persistence, chord data, modal view controllers, animation, action sheets, image picker, core motion, Tonex viewers and iCloud and more. You should attend. This course is designed for anyone involved in analyzing, designing, creating, deploying, testing and integrating applications for the iOS platform. Course agenda. The basics. Release features and updates. iOS development environment. How to design and build iOS apps. Architecture. Swift 4 basics. Hardware interfaces and APIs. Digital compass. Building apps with iOS SDK. iOS reference library. Multitasking. Writing apps using different APIs. Testing and certification. Working with app frameworks. All of Tonex courses are designed specifically by experts in the field who are familiar with the latest trends. Flexible and diverse clientele. Request more information regarding iOS apps developing training. Visit Tonex training website www.tonex.com.